Cześć, mam na imię
Hi,
Robert,
my name
a
is
dzisiaj
Robert,
pokażę Ci, jak w
and
łatwy
today I'll show you
sposób
how to
wybrać
easily select a
wymiennik
brazed
lutowany
heat exchanger made
wykonany w
entirely of
całości ze
stainless
stali
steel.
nierdzewnej. Często zdarza się,
It
że
often
klienci
happens that
potrzebują
customers need to select a
zrobić
heat
dobór
exchanger
wymiennika
made entirely
wykonanego
of
w
stainless
całości ze
steel.
stali nierdzewnej.
To
Żeby
avoid
nie
browsing
wybierać
through all
spośród
available
wszystkich
brazed
wymienników
exchangers,
lutowanych,
I'll show you how to easily narrow down your search to stainless exchangers. Follow this process with me on the screen. Click single phase. At this point, you'll find a button that will reveal the filters you can apply during the selection process. At the very top, you'll see the Luna group. This is our line of brazed exchangers made entirely of stainless steel. Select this group, click Save, and then click the filter button again. You'll notice that the product list has been narrowed down, and you'll now see only brazed exchangers. The ones displayed in the product tree are all available in stainless steel versions. Click Next and proceed with the calculations. OK. Below, on the black bar, you'll see the model of the exchanger that has been selected by CAIRO. The LN designation indicates that this is a brazed heat exchanger made entirely of stainless steel. I hope this was helpful.